Hi students, today we have to enter into the plant world. Okay, we see around us many plants are there. Some are small, some are big, some are very big, some are climbers, some are creepers, some are water plants. Okay, some are living in the water, so we are calling that water plant or aquatic plants for them. So plants are different types, different size, different color. So today we have to see the which plants and what are the types of that plants. First type is the big trees. Big plants. In that trees are there. Means very strong and big plants are called as trees. Very strong and big plants are called as trees. Examples are here. See, banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. Now small plants. In the small plants, shrubs are there. Which are the shrubs? Shrubs having many stems. This is the identification of the shrub. And shrub having the bush-like structure. Bushy structure we can say. So by that we can understand, it is the shrub. Shrub examples are many. First we can see the rose, then tulsi. These are the examples of shrubs. Henna plant also. Next, that is the herb. Herb is the small plant. Herb is very small plant. Mint is the one of the example of herb. Mint is the one of the example of herb. It having the soft stem, soft green and weak stem. जो मैंने shrub का क्या बताया था, it having the many stems, but it having the thick stems. Okay, but in the herbs, what happen? In the herbs having very soft, delicate stem. Okay, so by that we can understand, it is the herbs. Herbs having the many example, that is wheat, mustard, sunflower and grass. These are the examples of the herbs. Now we have to see the climbers. Climbers are having the very big stem. Climbers cannot stand straight. It needs the support to climb on it. It needs walls, stick and other any support to climb on it. So it is called as climber. Examples are pea, tomato, grapevine and money plants. Okay, and there is one more type there, that is the creepers. जैसे छोटे बच्चे ग्राउंड पे क्राउलिंग करते हैं, वैसे ही कुछ ऐसे प्लांट है, दे ऑलवेज ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड पर ही ग्रो करते हैं, ऐसे घूमते जाते हैं. इट हैविंग वेरी वीक स्टेम, वेरी डेलिकेट स्टेम, बट it bears the big fruits. That plants are called as climbers. Examples are pumpkin, then watermelon and bottle gourd. These are the examples. Find out. You can see that in the book also. You can see around in your farm also, if it is there. Okay. Now next is the plants part. Now we have to see the parts of the plant. See in the picture, there are the part, that is the root, then stem and leaf, flower, fruit, bud. These are the parts of the plant. I will show you some leaves here, some flowers. Leaves. First of all, we will take the one example and one function we can see. First part we can see, that is the leaves. See, the plants have different types of leaves. Some are big and some are small leaves. Leaves are mostly green in color, and we know that it is the leaf of the plant because they made the food for them. Okay, now you have observed the many type of leaves. Cities. These are the flowers. Now see the student, next part is the plant have a different type of flower. It having the beautiful color. It is very attractive part of the plant. Look this different types of flowers. Next part is the fruits. Plants also have a different types of fruits. Fruits are formed from the flowers. We have seen flowers are there, and by the flowers when it get developed it form the fruits. फर्स्ट पहले फ्लावर्स आने चाहिए, फिर उसके फ्रूट्स तैयार होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी हियर fruits have a seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed and some fruits have a many seed inside them. You are eating the fruits, you know that you have observed that here two fruits I have shown, lychee and papaya. As we know, custard apples have a many seeds and mango having only one seed. Watermelon also many seeds are there. Okay. Hey student, here it is the picture. See, it is a baby plant comes out of a seed. We know that fruits having the seed. Some fruits having the many seeds, some fruit having one seed, some fruit having the few seeds. Okay, and that seed contains the baby plant. If that seed get the soil, water and air in the proper condition, and it also get the sunlight, then baby plant comes out from that seed. Understood? So this procedure is called as a germination. Means सीड से एक छोटा प्लांट तैयार होता है, फिर उसे प्रॉपर कंडीशन अगर वाटर मिल जाए, सनलाइट मिल जाए, तो वो बड़ा प्लांट होता है और बड़े प्लांट से फिर बिग ट्री हो जाता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द पार्ट सीड. ओके. Now we will go into the garden, then we will understand all the parts properly. Okay, let's go. See, it is the stem of the plant. This one is the stem of the plant. Now see, these are the branches. These are the branches. Okay. Now these are the leaves. Okay. Plant bear the flowers also. I'll show you flowers. Here are the flowers. Many flowers are there. It is the colorful part of the plant. Here I'll show you root of the plant. Root always present under the ground. It is the root of the plant. Okay. This is the root. This one is stem. These are the leaves. Okay. Now I have to show you the bud. Now see, it is the bud. This is the bud and this one is the flower. Plant also bear the fruit. Hey student, we know that a plant having the many uses and it gives us many things, which are those that we have to see now in this point. Let's see the first point. There is the plants gives us the fruits. Okay, which fruits are there? Many fruits are there. Papaya, banana, grapes, pears, apples, cherries, etc. Many fruits are there given by the plants only. Plants gives us cereals, pulses like cereals like wheat, jowar, rice, pulses like moong, arhar, gram, kidney beans. In this way, all the grains has given by the plants only. So they are very useful to us. Next is paper is given by the plants only. From the bamboo tree, bamboo pulp of bamboo, it has converted into the papers. Okay, so we don't have to waste the papers. Keep in mind, because paper has made from the plant only. Okay, next, what given by the plant? Make the wooden items at the home with the help of plants only, which are the dead plants. By that, their trunk and with the branches, we are making the wooden items for our household activities. We get the cotton from the cotton plant, and we know that we wear the cotton clothes in the summer season, and that cotton fiber we get from the cotton plant. Understood? So it means we get this clothes from the plant only. Which plant? Cotton plant. This is the picture of cotton. This is the sugar. We know that in every day we need a sugar for preparing tea, coffee, and for all the things. Means whatever mummy is preparing at home, she need the sugar, and this sugar we get from the sugar cane. Means it is the plant. Okay. Hello student, here are the spices, and these are the spices makes our food very tasty. It gives the nice smell to our food. So spices which are present in your mama's kitchen, she is having the magic box there, and in magic box small bowls are there. It contains the spice and it gives the taste and aroma to our food. Next is the oil. We use this oil for cooking the food, and this oil we get from the seeds of the sun plant. For example, sunflower seeds, then groundnut seeds, mustard seed. From that we get this oil. Even coconut oil also we get from the seed. Okay. Here is the tea and coffee. These are the beverages which are the favorite in our Maharashtra, in our India. Whenever guests are coming, whenever somebody is coming from the outside, mama is giving them the coffee or a tea. And this coffee and tea we get from the plant only. Coffee get from the seeds of the plant, and this tea we get from the tea leaves, dried leaves. Okay. Here is the gum. That gum we get from the plant only, which we are using for the pasting the things. Hey student, plants also gives us medicines. Okay, mint is act as medicine. Then tulsi, neem, many are there. They gives us medicine. Means plants gives us medicines also. So here are the many uses of the plant that we have seen. Plants gives us many things. Your vegetables, fruits, grains, papers, wooden items, cotton, sugar, spices, oil, tea and coffee, gum, medicine, etc., etc., etc. Many things are there. Now here your lesson has over. Your duty is that now you have to read this lesson carefully, write down the difficulties and ask me again. Now we will see the exercise. Now students, here are the exercise. First, oral questions. Name any two things we get from the plants. You can write the anything, means fruits, vegetables, wooden items, cotton, sugar, spices, oil, tea and coffee. इसमें से कुछ भी लिखो. Second, what are trees? Trees are strong and big plants. Okay. Second quiz. First, name any two herbs. Herbs names are there: mint, coriander, rice, and you are having here wheat, mustard, sunflower and grass. इसमें से आप कौन से भी दो लिख सकते हो. Second, name one plant that has a soft and green stem. We can write their tulsi, then herb. These having the very soft stem. Even you can write the coriander also. Next question, pick the correct answer. Small and big plants are called? Yes, herbs. Next question is, fruits are formed from the plants. Third is, a dot fruit has many seeds. Yes, we know that papaya has many seeds. 4. We should be dot dot like trees. We should be strong like a trees. Understood? Don't be a weak. वीक बच्चे बहुत ही वीक रह जाते हैं, हमेशा बीमार पड़ते हैं, इसलिए हमें क्या बनना है? वी शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइक अ ट्रीज. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी हैव टू सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here is the filling the blanks with the help of given words. First, wheat plant is a, we know that it is a herb. Second, plants that need support to grow are called climbers. Third, dot are our best friends, plants. And fourth, creeper have dot stem, it having weak stem. Answer the following questions. First, what are shrubs? Shrubs are very small plants, it having strong stem also, and many stems are there. They are called shrubs. Next question, what are creepers? What are creepers? Some plants have weak stems, they grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Next question is, when does a baby plant come out of a seed? As we have discussed, we know that a baby plant comes out of a seed when it gets water, air and sunlight. Understood? Next is, test yourself. Take the correct answer. Big and strong plants are called as, yes, correct, trees. Second, baby plant comes out of a seed. Correct. Here your exercise are over.